Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some shaped Christmas text to share with you, and I used one of the Polkadoodles collection, and that is Winnie in Winterland, and it is such a cute collection, you guys. So really quickly, here are just some of the papers that you can get. This background paper is from a different collection, but look at these images. I think she is just adorable. So I just wanted to show that to you really quick. Oh, look at this one and that one. I printed these pretty big because I want to make some cards out of these. To make my shape tags, I used this die right here. And what's nice about this die is that it comes with an embossing folder. So it'll, emboss this, as you can see. I used the small bow from Pink and Main. It is such a cute bow. And then I used from this Stampin' Up! No Peeking, I used the To and From. So I'm going to start with these three because these are more like traditional colors. I got this paper, this print right here, this one, and then this is from the Fairy Wishes collection. And then on top of that one, I added the images from the Winter Wonderland collection. I think this is from the Winnie White Christmas. So what I did to get this image in here was, so here is that die, and it actually cuts out this centerpiece right here. You can see it right there. I didn't even show you the item number, and there it is right there, and it is called Gumball Machine. Unfortunately, this die has been discontinued and it is very hard to get, and I have asked several people if they know of anyone. So if you know of anyone who is willing to part with it, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to take it off your hands, sell it to me. So what I did was I cut it out using acetate, and then I outlined it with like a red Sharpie so that I can see through it. I got this acetate, and after I had positioned my images and shoot them to whatever size it was that I wanted. So this is what one of them looks like. Here is that full sheet, and I had 3 images on this side. And so what I did was I positioned this on top, that way I can see, and then with the pencil I traced around it, and then I hand cut that. That's what I did. It's really easy to do, you guys. Let me give you a closer look so you can see the embossing folder. It embosses very well, and it also embossed this part right here, and that, of course, I did pop dots on all of them, as you can see, to add dimension. And there is the To and From, just very simple. What I intended to do was to add a charm in all of my tags, but I couldn't find them at the time. And I know I bought a whole bag from Hobby Lobby. I also used some puffy paint for the snow. So this image, I don't know if I have the original image. This is the original image. You can see that there is no tree in the back. So I added that tree behind, Winnie and the snowman. So that is really nice about these digital images, that you can actually do that. So I did that one, and here is this one, and you can see there I just added that bow, and it is such a cute bow. I love it. Again, on this one, the original image does not have that white tree. Here is the original image. This one I just left it as is, and I think that bear is just adorable. And again, I used puffy paint on all of them pretty much. It's so cute. Okay, so this is what I'm calling my traditional colors. Now let me show you my non-traditional colors. It is using the Recollections Sugar Blush, that you can get this from Michael's. Again, pretty much the same thing, you guys. And I did some tags about, I think it was 2 years ago. Or was it a year ago? No, it was 2 years ago. And I actually had a scene inside, but everything was done with die cuts. It was it had snow, and then it had trees, and then it had a snowman, and everything was die cuts, you guys. And it was tedious. Obviously I only made a few, but this time, since I had these images, I thought I would just shrink them to whatever size I thought looked good, and cut them out and use it for my gumball machine. And I think they came out really cute. So you can see here are these two images. They are pretty much the same, but the size is different. And the background is different as well. Here is another one. I think she's so cute. She is adorable. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this has to be one of my favorite images because I love that little fox. I love that she has the fox in the sleigh and then that snowman. And I believe I added that snowman. Yeah. All right, you guys. So this is it. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is going out to Ida, who is created to create here on YouTube. She was hosting a shape tag swap, and this is my first set of tags because we were to send 2 different tags. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to this digital collection plus my coupon code. Thank you so much for watching and hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.